Welcome back to our tip series on how to be a better public speaker quickly. And hopefully you've seen the videos that have come before. On this video, we're going to talk about our second tip. I'm taking a look at my computer, which says, you present information in a well-organized and logical sequence. So here's what this means. It means that you have put some thought into how you are organizing your ideas and that it's something easy for the audience to follow. So what are some possibilities for how you can organize your ideas? You can organize things chronologically, right? Here's what happened last year. Here's what's happening this year. Here's what's going to happen next year. You can organize your ideas geographically. Here's what's happening in Europe. Here's what's happening in Asia. Here's what's happening in North America. You can organize your ideas by cause and effects, problems and solutions, but it needs to be some organizational structure that your audience can follow and that makes sense for them and also makes sense for your content. So remember to present your ideas in a well-organized and logical structure. Stay tuned for the rest of our tips.